Hi, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a price prediction for Quant Network. I don't have one on my chart right now, so welcome to the channel, everyone who is new. Please hit that like, share, and subscribe if you guys want more of my price predictions. And we're here to actually try to give you a different viewpoint of how to look at the market. We try to break down price bars as an emotion of human beings, those who may be a little bit more fearful of where price is trying to go versus those who are a little bit more greedy. You can definitely tell that from how the price bars are printed for the cryptocurrency space. So like I said, if you guys want to follow me, make sure you guys hit those things that I told you earlier to ensure that you guys are aware of the price prediction that we are delivering here on this platform. So right now we can see that it looks like Quant Network has bottomed out right here from the beginning of the month, April the 7th. You guys can see that Quant Network came and bounced right there around $60, and ever since then it's been lifting up. That tells us that the buyers are rested right there around $60. And they also, and I'm talking about the buyers, they were also able to get rid of these sell pockets here into the market, which constitutes people willing to buy the currency. And it also shows us that the ability of the market is still there for it to go higher. Okay. So now we'll also add on to this chart a couple of areas that we have seen the market create pockets of buying. Okay, so that's going to be a pocket of buying right there. And there's a big pocket right here into the market for Quant Network. And this big pocket gives us a little bit more confidence to say that this move to the upside is not finished. The problem, though, is that we will expect to see increased volatility into the market for Quant Network because of this sell pocket right there. Okay, the last time we saw Quant Network hit this particular price of $80, you guys can see that it found that area as a very hard resistance area, and then the sellers took control and brought the price all the way back down to $60. So just get prepared for that. Just get ready to think that it's possible. The potential is there that Quant Network can go down from that sell pocket. Here it is on the 2. Okay, so we have 13 hours and 7 minutes left. Currently, this is a probable precursor of strength, meaning that in the next 13 hours we want this 2-day price bar to close higher than the prior one. If it does, then it tells us that those buyers are still there in that price range trying to lift the price. Here it is on the 3. We haven't really seen too much in the sense of price movement over the last 6 days. That could be a problem. That could be an issue. Let us know that the market and Quant Network ran out of gas, and we might expect to see the market go lower. But if we see the market close higher than the prior 3 days, again, it's telling us that the buyers have at least a slight edge against the sellers into the market and Quant Network, that they want to lift the price. Here it is on the 4, 13 hours, 6 minutes left. Again, just a probable precursor of strength there. Here is Quant Network on the 5, 13 hours, 6 minutes. Again, on this 5-day chart, I just really want us to be cautious and careful of how price reacts right here. Okay, that's it. Outside of that, the idea is we're going to look for Quant Network to continue to try to lift and go higher. Okay, so there it is on the 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3, the 5 weeks, and here's for the month of April. Looks pretty good. Prior month, March, didn't look too good for Quant Network. We're definitely seeing buyers trying to enter in. Shouldn't be surprised because back in November, October, September of last year, that also is a spot to where the market in Quant Network bottomed. So we're coming right back to this area again just a couple of months ago. Okay, here it is on the 5-hour chart. Want to see if the buyers are absorbing, meaning if they're buying the people out who's trying to sell their quant into the market. And it looked like they are, because we're not seeing a big reaction in Quant Network off these weakness bars. Instead, we're seeing a reaction of the buyers still being there and the price trying to continue to go up. So let's look at this on the 1-hour chart. Here it is on the 3:30. So yeah, I'm going to expect, the prediction is going to be Quant Network trying to lift up, try to go higher in price. So we're going to plot that here. And our first target is going to be at this first sell pocket. It is only 7%. It might just touch the very bottom of this pocket, which gives us 5.5. Or if it can run to the top of the sell pocket, gives us 7%. Okay. Next target, if they're able to break through that sell pocket, I'm talking about the buyers, it would be for us to look for the market to run like to $85. Okay. So yeah, we'll kind of hold it right here for the moment and see if the market is definitely bullish for Quant Network. Let me add this here too. Okay. So there we are. Got it. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.